Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on YouTube. Works for PC and laptop. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. And in saying that, let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, go ahead and open up YouTube on any web browser. So I'm in Google Chrome. So now, as you can see, it's light mode. To enable dark mode, simply click on your profile, top right hand corner of your screen. Make sure it's this one, not the small one up the top, so the one inside YouTube. And then from here, under your data in YouTube, you want to click on appearance, which is light. So if you click into that, and you've got a couple of options here, you can use your device theme. That's probably could be already set up as dark mode, or click on dark theme here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on dark theme, and there you go. That's how you enable dark mode on YouTube. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.